Are you struggling to create a website that truly represents your brand? Frustrated with complicated website builders? Our easy-to-use templates eliminate that hassle. Get your custom website up and running in no time, with designs tailored for you and your users. Choose from various stunning designs. Customize every detail to suit your brand uniquely. Expand your online presence in just minutes. Our service stands out because it combines simplicity with flexibility. You won't find easier solutions anywhere else. Don't wait. Start building your perfect website today and watch your business thrive.